Hey everyone, I'm Mr.III, and today we're going to be looking at my stocks and how they're doing in the market. So if you're new to the channel, I mostly do videos on everything. So don't be sad if it's not only stock market things, which I haven't posted a video in a pretty good time about the stock market. So if you are one of my subscribers that are waiting to see how it's doing, well, this is the video for you. So yeah, give that a like and subscribe, and I'll try to pump more of these out. But yep, I'm not a financial advisor person, so I want you guys to give me some advice on what I should buy or do, in the future. So I threw some money in here. It's not too much, so testing out the market and seeing how I'm doing, which, to be honest, I think I'm doing pretty well. So first thing we're going to look at is my M1 Finance account. So we're going to take a peek over here, and looking at it, I have a current value of $623.98, which I made a gain of $158.17. And then for everyone that's new, that's from April 15th, my starting date. So I've been throwing some money in there, short little bits, here and there, and using my earned dividends to purchase some stocks. So if you look, I actually made a market gain of $145.68 and earned dividends of $12.49, which is pretty nice. So my return value is actually 41.22%. So almost at the 50, which, you can see right now stuff, and depending on, all the good news coming out, those recovery stocks are doing well. And taking a look at my stocks, I'm going to click over here, and I think we should be set on total gain. Yep. And I'm just going to play a little music here and slowly scroll down, and you can see what I actually have in my portfolio here. So, enjoy. Alright, so I forgot to hit the market gain button there to make everything in the order, which when I showed you all, I had the correct version on there, so that's perfect. And if you want to invest in the stock market, I'm going to put some links down below so you can start off with M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Webull. And I'll give you my opinion here in a second about which one I like the most and, playing with more. But anyway, I did actually try out Robinhood. Shoot, I don't know how far back it was, but I was telling you, I was like, I may have to see how it is in my opinion. And looking at it, let's see, when did I start here? If I go to all, I did it in June, so kind of like a month after when I started with M1 Finance, but I guess I haven't placed a video since I guess that time period of June. But anyway, looking at it, I have a market gain of $60.21, which I gotta, give some thanks to watching some Meet Kevin stuff. And I did put some money in Tesla. I don't have a full share, but let's see. That's the reason I actually have that, large gain over there. If not, I'd be probably around like 15 bucks looking. But yeah, if I look at my Tesla stock, you can see how much my average, buying was, I guess, around $408. Because I mostly got stuff at like 300-ish. But, I threw in a few here and there. And it looks like a total of $34.85. Which is not too bad. But anyways, go back to the portfolio. And here are my main stocks, which this one I'm just, testing out here and there. I don't have too much invested in general, as you just saw, You know, just subtract the 60 there. But, you know, throwing in a $200 plus, you can still buy something nice with that, you know. But anyway, looking at it, my free stock was AM, which that in the beginning was about like $5 and something cents. So that went up, but you know, you don't get really too big things. And then I tried out, you know, the electric stuff. A little Etsy here, Apple, all good stuff. Moderna for the vaccine and stuff like that. Had gold. I was positive in the beginning. And then I even tried, well, energy transfer. I just try everywhere, even though it's probably not the best of the best stock in general, but I don't know. It gives me a decent dividend payout, which I always like. But yeah, that's how my Robinhood account looks. And like I said, I did try out also Webull. That one probably like a month ago. Yeah, around Halloween is when I actually started. And I tried the, well, I think they have the 4 free stocks type of deal. I did it when it was 3, because at first I was like, ooh, 2 free stocks, that sounds good. But if I go into my account, it's like when you deposit $100, you get 2, and then when you sign up, you get 1. But yeah, I just got some crappy stocks. I didn't really play too much on Webull because, to be honest, I feel it's at the bottom level of the apps. You know, tell me, you know, your opinion, what you think is the best. But right now, since I'm not really throwing, you know, large sums of money, I'm not buying actually a full stock. And I'm trying to do fractional shares, so if I'm buying a full stock, it'd be something probably, you know, in the low 20s instead of like something big. Like, heck, I wouldn't be able to buy $600 versus a Tesla, you know, for just a share for that. I do like how, you know, you can set your, I think it's option trading, to purchase at a certain price that, you know, during the day, so you don't have to watch your purchase. But in general, I don't know. I'm kind of a tie between Robinhood and M1 Finance. Robinhood, well, they both have fractional shares, which I said I like that. Robinhood, you know, there's a lot of negative talk back and forward about it, but I can see during the day, like when I do the pre and post, you know, purchases of the stock market, and also like watch it. Like, hey, I think around 10:45ish today is going to be a drop. So, you know, I can watch and then buy around that time, or like 9 something. You could just see the spike or whatever. But the thing is, like, M1 Finance, it's nice, you have everything set, looks clean, you can invest easily. But the thing is, you're not buying your stocks like at a good price at that time. So it's like, I think it always purchases at 9:30. And then, you know, or starts that, you can't, you know, purchase anything any time after 9:30 unless you actually pay, and then, you know, you can do, I think, after hours or something like that. But the thing is, yeah, like I said, with Robinhood, you can watch and like, ooh, okay, this is, you know, a lot cheaper than the 9:30 time, and then you just buy in, you know, a certain amount of that, which, that's the reason I like actually Robinhood for that. But yeah, looking at everything else, it's M1 Finance is cleaner. And, you know, just let me know what you guys think, and also what stocks are good to purchase here. You know, everything I hope is gonna be coming up when the vaccine goes out, and, you know, if we get that stimulus check, hopefully here in the future, I'm gonna actually put, you know, a pretty good amount this time in the market here. So I need your help, guys and girls. So yeah, thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, like I said, like, subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy my content. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it here, and hopefully I'll try to do a weekly update on certain things I hear, or, you know, if you guys give me some good pointers in the comments, you know, I'm gonna try to spread the love. Not hate, just the love. Alright, well, you guys have a good night. I'm going to be going to bed since it's 12:31 on a Sunday, so I may look a little tired today. Alrighty.